This is a love reading for you, Pisces, from April to May. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread, where on my left are the cards for you, Pisces, and on my right are the cards for your love interest, your partner if you're married, then your spouse. Once I've seen how the cards are for Pisces who are in relationship or are couple, I will remove the partner cards to only see what is the guidance for Pisces who are single and are looking for love. If you were to write to me for a personal reading, I complete the heart-shaped spread with the time spread, which is to know when is it likely that you will find love and be in a relationship. Since this is a general reading, I cannot do a time spread. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot for the love reading. Also, please note, not everything in this reading will apply to all Pisces, and whatever will apply will vary in the intensity. So first I'm asking is, who are you, Pisces, in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenge you bring? What is the strength or challenge your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the relationship or your partner in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from Tarot for the love reading. Pisces, you are dating someone very influential or someone who is a very strong personality. Who are you in the relationship? Well, you are a very flexible person who understands that if there is a problem in the relationship, the best way to deal with it is by communication. So, you are very practical in how you look at relationships per se and how you are with your love interest. So, you are very flexible and very open to communication. So, this is a very good quality, really. Now, sometimes it's possible that you do get some doubts about the relationship, or you are not so sure of how you should be approaching situations in the relationship, really. Now, the good part is the person you are dating is very, very sure. They are as sure as something written on concrete. So, I am saying you are dating or are in relationship with someone who is very, very sure of himself, and when they say it, they mean it. So, Pisces, you can look forward to some advice or some kind of help if you need when you're dealing with situations at hand. Your partner is someone who is an old soul and they don't like to make mistake and maybe very serious also by nature. It's possible you just like to talk, Pisces, maybe random things, maybe something interesting, and your partner on a good day would like to keep quiet. So your partner may not be much of a talker while you are quite a talker. You may have a world of things to share and talk about. So sometimes you may feel, Pisces, why your partner is not talking or why they do keep quiet so much. Now the answer is your partner is very serious and they work way more than any counterpart you would have known, or the kind of effort this emperor puts is rarely known to anyone. This emperor works in his dreams, while eating food, while watching TV, whatever that he's doing, while going on jogging 24/7. So, fun is a task for this person, and they may rarely be doing silly things. So, if you are in love with Pisces, you may want to lighten up a bit, because Pisces has this whole energy of talking, communicating, and probably discussing even smallest of things. What is the strength or challenge you bring? And what is the strength or challenge your partner brings? You've been hurt in the past, Pisces. So you have learned to not take things to your heart and not feel too serious about things. So you bring this immense fear of whether the relationship will work or not with you in this relationship. So you bring a lot of fear of how things will turn out, whether you will get hurt again or not. And just as a precaution, you are very light-hearted. You don't want to take anything very seriously and then regret it by being very deeply hurt. So this is your way of dealing with your past hurt. What is the strength or challenge your partner brings? Pisces, you are dating or are in relationship with someone very good and sound. With these kind of qualities, you don't really have to do much in the relationship other than just be yourself and enjoy the good life. The strength your partner brings is immense love, and they have an answer as yes to everything. They won't deny you anything in the relationship. So this is a very giving and a growing energy. So it's telling me they look forward to things improving and taking the relationship to the next level. So your partner is very serious and committed about you, but you have this slight energy of not being so sure, of wanting to feel light-hearted and flexible so that you're not hurt. So you are working with a lot of fear in your mind, Pisces, or maybe some kind of a doubt that you've been carrying with you. You will do very well with this partner, Pisces. This relationship is going to do a world of good to you. Because you see, there is a quality of an emperor and an empress, someone who works hard and parties even harder. You can't find many people who are like this. So, Pisces, of all the things, you should learn to probably live life like them. When your partner decides to party, go out and have a holiday, they really have a holiday. And they really go out and go wild. And they really know how to live life and enjoy it to the hilt. So, it's quite possible you are very attracted to your partner, Pisces, because of being so sure, your partner is so sure, and how beautifully they are living their life. How do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? So you know that your love interest or your partner is very smitten with you, and he or she is fully overpowered by the passion they feel for you. So you know your love interest is deeply in love with you, and they will do everything within their reach to make things happen in this relationship. So there is a lot of sense of security that you have, Pisces, with this partner. You feel that yes, this is the partner who cares for you and will go great lengths to just be with you and take make the relationship happen for the both of you. How does your partner see you? Well, they feel you have a very comfortable and a easy life. You didn't have to work hard too much to get whatever you have now, and you were probably just handed over things way too easily than the way they got it. So they don't feel this way in a bad way. Your partner really feels that you are a destiny's child, and whatever you want, you get it easily, and you are probably blessed by a lot of good luck. So your partner sees you as this happy-go-lucky person who gets whatever they want, and very easily and quickly, that too. What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Now, the good part is both of you are extremely positive about the relationship in the future. You want to retire and spend the rest of your life with this partner. You want to have a very loving family and grow old with your love interest. So you are very positive and you have a very long term view when it comes to this love interest. Now, how does your partner see the relationship in the future? Your partner is very committed. They want this relationship to work out for the long term, and they totally want to take it forward. And the good part is both of you are so exceptionally convinced that this is the relationship to be. That is just beautiful to see such cards. You can let go of your fears, Pisces. Whatever the fear you are carrying with you, you should let go of it to totally enjoy life. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So in the past you both have had your fair share of dealings and hardships. It's possible, Pisces, you were out of work for some time, or you probably lost some money in some venture, or you lent some money to someone and you never got it back. So your past energy is someone who's recovering from some kind of a financial loss or something to do with monetary imbalance in your life. Maybe some of you never got paid your salary. What is the past energy your partner is coming from? Your love interest has come the long way. They have felt very betrayed, full of conflict in the past. Maybe that is why he or she is such a strong personality. When they work, they give 1000%, and when they go out and enjoy, they give double the 1000%. So they are really living life and they've really figured it out for themselves. And this learning could be coming from the past energy of immense pain and conflict that he or she has been through. Now, what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? I see a very beautiful time ahead for both of you, where you will have richness, prosperity, and lot of time to spend and indulge yourself with good things in life. So there is this immense circle of prosperity around you in the future for both of you together. So I am seeing both of you are willing and working very hard, and you both are very committed to seeing a very secure future. Guidance is you're going to get it. This is the energy of winning, of getting what you want, and you will get it. And I'm also seeing you will be able to take time out to really have this great life and do what you like in your personal interest. So very good set of cards for you, Pisces, and your partner. Now I'm going to remove the partner cards and only look for guidance for Pisces who are single and are looking for love. Pisces, some of you are worried that your money problems are never going to get away, and you are in this perennial spiral of just making money, losing money, making money, spending money, or whatever the whole thing with money issue is going on with you. So one guidance I'm really getting is that it is bothering you quite a bit, and you are not focusing on finding someone actively for love, because your absolute focus is to put things right. Whatever you have made probably losses monetarily or some kind of loss that you may have had, you're trying to fix that up. Now the good news is you're going to do it very well. You're going to fix all your problems very well, and it will leave you with ample of time to pursue your personal interests or whatever you like doing. So when is it looking that you will be able to find someone nice and you can be in love with? I'm just seeing as of now you're just focusing on yourself and trying to sort out certain issues that you may be having. And once you're done, you will have a lot of time at hand to get on with life, find love, and feel the good life. So it's going to take a bit of time and a while before you're ready to find someone. So this is how your guidance is looking, Pisces, for love reading from April to May.